And today, let's just say you had a beautiful shape that you just made and that you want to put this delicious slice of fruit into. Okay, first of all, get your shape together. Let's go ahead and make a shape here. We'll go over here to the polygon tool. And let's just draw out a shape like so. That will be fine. Let's fill this with a darker color. Now, of course, that particular step is necessary, guys. I just needed to be able to see. Our first step is to go over here where it says draw inside, or hit Shift D. And as you can see, once you select the draw inside mode, these little stagnant ants kind of appear around your shape. Now let's go up here to File and hit Place. So now that we got Place selected, let's grab our delicious strawberry slice and hit Place. So now we have our fruit ready to be placed. So we'll click and drag over this and let go. And there we have it. So now we can kind of move this around a little bit. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Alt and Shift to keep the proportions. Drag this down. Make sure it doesn't go out. So let's see. That looks great. So if you don't want your edges so pointy, all you have to do is click on your layer here, grab your direct selection tool, and let's pull in one of these little round things right here. Pull in like so. And there you go. That's it, guys. But you can actually do that with any photo, a marriage photo, photo of you and the family, or you and your friends, party photo, whatever you want to place inside a shape that's of your choice, triangle, squares, etc. You could do all that with this particular method right here. And that, my friend, is how you place images inside of shapes in Illustrator. All right, guys, before we get out of here, I just want to let you know that everything I have going on is down in the description, right beside the like button and right beside the subscribe button. Did you see what I did there? Did you see it? All right, guys. See you in the next video.